It's just a pack on the beats. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, today we're going to be doing a glow up video. I'm going to show you guys how I glow up by taking out these old braids and installing a wig and doing my makeup and all that jazz. First, I wanted to try something a little bit different. I wanted to show you guys something that I got in PR. I mentioned on my Instagram story, I think about a few weeks ago, how I did the big chop on my hair, and Baddie reached out to me. If you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me so you can keep up with what I do when I'm not on YouTube. So Baddie sent me 3 items. They sent me their miracle cream, their coil oil gel, and their nourishing oil. It says, congrats on your coils and curls, #texture love. We believe in the beauty of your natural texture, so give your curl friends something to talk about. Okay, and then on the back it just gives you a little more information on the products. The miracle cream is supposed to moisture soften and plump coils and curls with this leave-in cream. Okay, I like that. Then the coil oil gel, it says wash and go it. I'm not a wash and go type of girl because, honey, the beginning stages of your hair growing back, it don't look good on me. Still gonna try it. It says define and elongate your coils and curls with this gel styler. Okay. Then they sent me a nourishing oil. It says multitasking oil that softens the crunch, fights the fizz, treats dryness, and adds shine. I like that. My hair is extremely dry and it sucks up any and every little bit of moisture. So thanks Baddie for sending me these products. I'm gonna take out these braids, jump in the shower, and I'll be right back to install the wig. Okay y'all, I washed my hair and I used the Baddie miracle cream, the leave-in one, and I applied this in my hair. Y'all, it smells so good. It smells awesome. I tried something a little bit different this time. I conditioned the hair first, then I shampooed, and then I conditioned it again. I don't know why I did that, but that's what I did. This is a closure wig that I made. So right now the hair is in its natural state. The texture is body wave. After I washed it, I just let it air dry. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch me apply the wig, and then we'll be back when it's time to do the makeup.
Biddy bang bang.
OREYO. DJ Oreo.
Yeah, you're the one I want to. Before my liver start to fail, you're the one I need, oh. Before cassava start to hail, and if I ever leave, oh, make what I carry me, they go far away, far away. So I am looking for a sister, Jama, my lover, oh. She got the dollar, she dey wear designer, so I am looking for a sister, Jama, my lover, oh. She got the dollar, she dey wear designer. She say give me assurance, assurance. I give my baby assurance, I give my baby lifetime insurance, yeah. Assurance, oh no, assurance. I give my baby assurance, I give my baby lifetime insurance, yeah.
Biggie, biggie, heavy, heavy.
Biggie bang bang.
Biggie, biggie, heavy, heavy. Baby, do you want me? Biggie, biggie, heavy, heavy.
Oh,
Biggie, biggie, heavy,
heavy.
Baby, do you want me?
Shake back.
DJ Oreo.
Love is sweet, oh. When money enter, love is sweeter. Pepe resto. So brother man go gas deliver. Call Anita, oh. Tell her make she come, they go far away, far away. Me I know they do again, and I am looking for a sister, Jama, my lover, oh. If she enter Atlanta, she go cause disaster, oh. And I am looking for a sister, She go follow go Atlanta. There goes disaster. Say give me assurance, assurance. I give my baby assurance. I give my baby lifetime insurance. Yeah, assurance. Oh no, assurance. I give my baby assurance. I give my baby lifetime insurance. Yeah.
Biggie, biggie, heavy, heavy.
Gee.
For me.
Biggie bang bang.
Biggie, biggie.
Okay guys, this is the finished look. I don't know if I want to curl it. I kind of like it straight. I haven't had straight hair in a very long time, and I'm liking this. I really like it. I didn't do any baby hairs. This is a closure, by the way. I didn't do any baby hairs. I don't think it needs it. Just, you know, long, sleek. Look at the quality of this hair. Look at this. All I did was straighten it. I didn't use no products. I love it. I'm in love. I can't stop looking at it. The closure came pre-plucked, so I didn't have to do anything to it. I just added some foundation to the part. I love it. I love it, y'all. I love it. This is the easiest install I have ever done. The next thing on the list is my makeup. So I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna let y'all watch me do that, and I'll be back. So I'm just gonna watch a YouTube video while I do my makeup. I'm watching Tasha's new video. It's a full get ready with me. So yeah. Looks a little light on camera, but I promise you it's not. This is how my makeup looks.